Let's take a look at ePrescribe in Welkin Health through our integration with DrFirst. When you use ePrescribe, Welkin Health gives you a feed of information from the DrFirst system that includes any problems recorded, medications, both prescribed and over the counter, as well as allergies entered in the system. The datasets provided include many fields, and you have the option of including as few or as many as you'd like in your prescription display, here called Clinical Summary. To access DrFirst and Prescribe, click on the prescription button under the patient's demographic information. This will begin an SSO that will log you into DrFirst and access the patient's record, or create a new record if there's not already one in the system. Once in DrFirst, you are presented with patient information, which includes areas to update the active medications, allergies, and diagnoses, as well as the ability to prescribe. To add new data, simply click Add under the correct category. To prescribe, click Create Rx or the star next to it for any established favorites. You'll notice that you also have a drop-down with pharmacies you have used before. From the next screen, you'll choose your medication by name in the search. We'll start by looking for an over-the-counter Tylenol. Once you've found it, select the dosage. You are next presented with a screen where you add additional prescription details. During this screen, make sure and complete at least all the areas that are highlighted, and then select Review. You can also associate this prescription with a particular diagnosis that you've included on the previous screens. Before entering the review screen, if there is a conflict or alert relating to your current prescriptions, you will be presented with that alert before prescribing. The process is the same for a prescription drug. Search first for the drug by name, and then select the type and dose. In our example, you'll notice that we received an alert as there is already an active prescription for this medicine on file with this particular patient. Once your prescriptions are ready, from the main patient page, decide whether you would like to send the new prescriptions, save them for later completion, or discard them. Once completed with that decision, log out of the system from the upper right-hand corner, and the information will sync back into Welkin. You will now see the new information displayed in the datasets that come back from DrFirst. In addition, if you have a prescription that requires action due to a response from a pharmacy or that was saved and not signed by the prescriber, you will receive notifications in Welkin that can also be clicked on to navigate to DrFirst for completion. From the DrFirst interface, you will again be presented with the options to send, save and print, or hold these prescriptions for later.